Hi, I'm Shannon with Windblown Ideas, and I'm going to show you how to shape this beautiful cherry blossom, and be sure to watch till the end to see the final shaping. To shape the center strip, I leave the first 4 stamens standing straight up, and then all of the rest of them I bend over at the base using fine tip tweezers. The reason I leave those first 4 standing straight up is that when you roll it all up using a quilling tool, that helps to camouflage that little bit of an open circle in the very middle. Next, I curl up each stamen using the smooth handle of a paintbrush. Starting at the end where we did not bend over the stamen, roll the strip up using a quilling tool. The petals are all shaped the same way using a plastic quilling mold and metal ball tools with a shaping mat underneath. Each petal will be shaped in 2 cups. Start in a cup that is slightly bigger than the petal and the petal easily fits into, and then move the petal to the next size down and press firmly over the entire surface with the metal ball tool. Apply pressure from the tip toward the center on each sepal. Assemble the blossom on a DIY paper flower tool, and you want to make sure that one of the sepals is in between each petal when you glue it together. Make sure this layer is curved in the right direction. Now it's time to glue the center onto the blossom and make some magic happen. I find a needle tool works best to pull the stamen away from the center and just work your way around the whole center, and they very easily fall into place because of the shaping that we did on the front end. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe.